guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I am bringing you a weeknight cleaning routine. This is something that I'll typically do when I get home from work. I went ahead and grabbed the ridiculous amounts of cans and cups out of my bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and get started here in the kitchen, but then I will move on to the living room and the bathroom. I've already thrown in a load of laundry and I'll get to that in just a little bit. Also, don't forget, stay tuned to the end of the video. I've got some new spring decor that I'm putting out and I'm super excited for you guys to see it. I did show a little bit of it on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me over there, make sure you do. I'll have all of the information in the description box below, but for right now, we're going to get started on this mess. So I have a quick question for you guys. I'm actually getting ready to clean my sink out and we do not have a disposal. So what I like to generally do is pour some bleach down there and then a few drops of essential oils just to kind of get the smell out, you know, in case anything is down in there for a while. Generally, we don't ever have an issue, but it just makes me feel better to pour some bleach down there and kill any germs that are down there. If you guys have any other ideas for cleaning out the sink, if you don't have a disposal, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys have. hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new here and you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below before you leave. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell. That just lets you know every time I upload a new video, and I would love to have you come back and watch more. So now I'm going to go ahead and start putting out some of the decor I was telling you about. This picture I have been wanting to get rid of for a long time, and over the weekend Ruben and I found this really nice piece. It was actually at Ollie's. It is massive and it didn't have a tag on it, and nobody knew where to look for it. There was nothing else there to compare it to. You guys, I actually ended up getting this for 99 cents. That's right, 99 cents. Then this little sign that I found at Dollar General, it is so sweet and so cute. They are really stepping up their game, you guys. If you have a Dollar General close to you, go and check out their new stuff. It is amazing. I grabbed this for only $5 and I knew it would be just perfect to put in the middle of this piece. I actually love the way this turned out, but as I'm looking at it, I'm not sure if I want to add anything else to the wall around it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below if I should add something to it or not. But for right now, I'm loving it. It is perfect. And all I did for that sign is the little hanger that was on it, the twine. I put it through one of the holes of the bigger piece, and then I just hot glued it to the back, and it is just perfect the way it is. I absolutely love it. So let me know if you guys think I should add anything else to it, but for right now, that is where it's staying. And then also over on my sofa table, I found this other little sign that's really, really sweet, and it looked perfect right where it is, and it just says, "Family is life's greatest blessing," and it most certainly is. But for right now, I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I think I'm going to go ahead and get a different frame, maybe like a different color, kind of the same color as the sign there. And then on to the kitchen. That plant I'm actually putting in a bigger pot, and it's going to go somewhere else, but I replaced it with this other really cute farmhouse sign. I think this one was only $4 at Dollar General, but I think it's perfect right where it is. I didn't want a whole lot going on right there. That plant was getting so big and obstructing all the light and all the scenery that we can see out that window, but I think it's perfect. And on this little tier stand, I have this other little sign, $1.50, you guys. I can't tell you how excited I am over this. So I decided to put that there on the bottom. I know I want to put something else down there, but I'm not exactly sure what. And then I found that sweet little pig, and I cannot express to you how happy that pig makes me. And then that other really cute little sign, and it just says Farm Fresh Milk. That was only $1, and the pig was only $3. So everything that I got is so stinking cute. I cannot tell you again how excited I am. Go to your Dollar General and see what they have. They are putting everything out right now. And then I went ahead and threw my laundry in, because I'm going to be honest with you, I'm probably not going to get to that until tomorrow, but that's okay. That's my one load for the day. I try to at least wash and dry, fold and put away one load of laundry a day to try and keep ahead, and I did that, so I'm winning. Now, like I said, this is something that I will do when I get home during the week. I didn't mop floors or do any deep cleaning. I try to just get everything picked up. That way it stays a little bit tidy during the week, and it just makes me feel better without a whole lot of mess around the house. But Bodie seems to enjoy it. He's relaxing. I don't know why he didn't do anything to help, but everything looks really good. I'm really pleased with the way it came out. And then as I was looking around the kitchen, I realized I have not put anything on my blackboard yet, so I decided to go ahead and do that as well. I didn't write anything. I just drew a little picture because my handwriting is horrible, but this is what I found that I thought was really sweet. So I went ahead and drew this bunny. Also, like I said, if you guys are not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that button and stick around. Come back and watch some more videos. If you like cleaning videos, then I'm your girl. I love you guys. You guys know that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. I love you and I appreciate you. Hang around to see how this bunny turns out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out.